ngo Kagame navuga ngo bazamujyana, uzanjyana hese wowe? Wamvana he ko nza ubu bagatangira sanctions, James Kabarebe, sanctions, officers, sanctions for what? You are just foolish, absolutely foolish. Anybody dares ugatangira wahuye ugatanga lessons. See a little boy, a little girl, kunuko wava mu Europe cyangwa America cyangwa Canada, uratanga lessons. Lessons, what lessons? What lessons does anybody have to give to me about my life, about my country, about my people? That is absolute stupidity. We cannot be driven on that basis. If there is anybody who has not understood the message you have given them over the years, well, we are waiting to see what you do. In the recent months and so on, you see, again, the whole world was watching. Mercenaries came from Europe, then other confused brothers and sisters from our continent. They sent in arms, they sent in weapons, soldiers, they sent in everything to support a government that is killing its own people, that supports genociders, people who killed our people here. 1 million people we lost in 100 days.